In a shocking turn of events, Bangladesh is experiencing significant unrest and violence following a series of intense protests. The situation has led to widespread and turmoil and has captured the attention of many around the world. Over the past few days, things have much gotten worse in Bangladesh because of violent clashes involving the ruling of Awami League party. Amid the unrest in Bangladesh, local media reported that 29 people, and including 20 Awami League leaders, were found dead. And this came after former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resigned and left the country on Monday. The unrest has caused a lot of damage, with homes and business of Awami League leaders and activists being vandalized and looted. Well, finding these bodies shows that the conflict has gotten much worse, and it shows how deep the diversions are in the country and raises fears that there could be even more violence. According to the Dhaka Tribune, at least 10 people died in attacks and violence in Satkhira. And there were also reports of fire and thefts at the police station in Satkhira Sadar and Shamnagar, and several houses and businesses belong to Awami League leaders. And activists were damaged and robbed, and at least 11 people were killed in attacks by mobs in Comilla. Well, in Dhaka, parts of the Awami League central office in Gulistan were set on fire multiple times, and hundreds of people looted furniture, tiles, and other items from the burning building. The office was first set on fire shortly after Sheikh Hasina resigned, and it was attacked again around 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Meanwhile, local media reported that 2,400 people, including some top leaders from the Bangladesh Nationalist Party and Jannat-e-Islami, have been given bail. And this is related to cases about the recent violence that happened after student protests in Bangladesh. Well, the violence has deeply affected communities with families and grieving their losses, and the whole country dealing with the impact of the crisis. Keep watching Era.com for more such interesting updates.